Time. At 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Eaton to Rounders to near Wazaka, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
How many times did he diss you?
70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chatsworth, Ellijay, East Ellijay, Rizaka, Carters, Talina, Tales Creek, Ramhurst, Cartacay, Pisgah, Cherry Log, Mount Town, Fort Mountain State Park, Roy, Nicholsville, North Georgia Speedway, and Round Top. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. Tornado watch number 21.